Listen to the story carefully. Story 9. Smart cooking? Isla opened her recipe app and frowned. "I'm out of milk and eggs," she said. Her friend Milan peeked in. "Try almond milk and flaxseed," he suggested. Isla smiled and typed substitutions into the app. "It even shows how baking changes," she said. They chopped vegetables, cooked lentil curry and made a smoothie bowl with coconut yogurt. Around the kitchen, timers beeped from smart devices and the app tracked calories and servings. Milan stirred the curry. "It tastes just as good as the original," he said. Isla nodded. "Plus, my cousin who's vegan can enjoy it too." They plated colorful dishes, took photos for their digital recipe board and laughed at the small mess. Cooking felt creative. Easy and flexible with technology and smart ingredient swaps. Answer the following questions. Well done. You did it. Compare your answers with the suggested ones.